Hey, so I've seen these amazing YouTubers saying that there are these websites that are giving free money to anyone who needs to start a business. So in this video, I'm going to try all these websites saying that you can really get free money on the website, and I'm just hoping that maybe I can get up to $5,000 because they say that you can get up to $50,000 just on this website.
Business. I've already contacted our manufacturer that's going to help us label and package everything. So it's pretty cool.
So I'm just going to take you and we're just going to try together and see how much we're going to make on these platforms that are giving free money to start business. So our very first website is called FedEx, and many of us we know about this website, and this is a well-known website. So this website is promising us to give at least $50,000 to anyone who needs to start business. So let's try together and see how much we're going to make on the platform, because I'm going to take you from step to step and see how much we're going to make on the platform. So this is our very first step. So I'm supposed to write here my business name and let's write here Hans Store, and I'm just gonna write here my name, Hans David, and my email, my address, and my phone number. They say it's really important to write my phone number right here because it will be easier for them if they have any question for me and if they need to reach out for me. After being selected, to receive free money on the platform. Alright, so right after writing your phone number, you'll be needed to answer yes or no questions. As you can see right here, you have to answer all this question about your business, and now you're supposed to write your Instagram link, or if you have Facebook, Twitter, you can just paste this link that you have. Any social media that you have to share this link like here. And after that, you will have to answer a very simple question like how many employees do you have in your company or in your business. So if you're starting a business, you just have to write it's just you in the business. So you have to write here myself, and right now I'm supposed to upload photos or logos, so I'm just going to take these photos on my computer. So as you can see, these photos, these are the logos of my business, so I'm just going to upload here, and you have to click next. Then I have to explain why do I need this money for my business. It's really important for you to explain why do you really need this money. So right here is a place that you are supposed to write all this information about your business and how this money is really going to help you. So I'm just going to take my time like 2 minutes, then I'll come back to you to explain how much I got just after I fill out this information and I send this information to this platform. So right now, let's go to another website and try this website, because it can take like 2 minutes or 3 minutes I think to fill out all this information. So let's go ahead and try this another website. Alright, so our next website is called AT&T, and this website, it has this program which is called She Connect, and this program is willing to give up to $10,000 to any woman who owns small business. So if you own a small business and you want to improve your business and you want to go further, you just have to go to this website and try. So I'm going to try out this website and I'm going to tell you what really happened to me and how much I got on this website that I'm going to try in this video. So our next website is called I Fund Women, and this website, all you have to do, you need to explain about your business and all the things that you want in order for your business to grow. So you can get up to $10,000 on the platform. So this website, they say that it's very simple and it really doesn't need like a lot of information about you to get to this free money on the platform. So I'm gonna try this website and I'll be back to you and tell you how much I got on the platform. Our next website is called Amber Grant, and this is the most trusted website, and this website was opened in a memory of a young girl who was called Amber, who died in 2019 I think. And this website is aiming to help different women in business up to $10,000. So if you're lucky enough, you can get $10,000 up to $20,000 on the platform. So I'm just going to try on this website, and in the end of this video I'm going to tell you how much we're going to make on this platform. Let's go ahead and see another website. So our last website is called Papaya, and this website offers to give women in business up to $10,000. So if you are a woman and you own business, you can just go ahead on this platform and you can get money. And the good thing, I tried this website and I'm going to tell you what really happened after I tried on this website. Now let's go back to our very first website that I tried before, which was FedEx, and let's see how much we got just on the platform. So right now I'm going back to my first website, which was FedEx, and let's see what happened after my application at the small business, because I said that I needed to start a business and I needed like $10,000 will be enough for me to start a business from this platform. So this is what FedEx tells me, and as you can see right here, I cannot get money because I'm not based in USA. So in order for you to get money from FedEx, you need to come from USA. This is what they told me. And also, in order for you to get money from FedEx, you must be in a business for at least 6 months. So you have to remember that. I saw this video on YouTube. They say that this website are giving you free money to start new business. But I get on this website, and this website tells me that I must be in a business for at least 6 months for me to get free money. There are a lot of information that I got from FedEx, and they say that I must ship with FedEx so that I can get free money on the platform. So the reason that I'm not from America, and the reason that I never shipped with FedEx, this is what really keeping me from getting this free money. So if you're from America, you can just go ahead and try on this website, because I see this is like the well-known website and you can really get free money on this platform. But you just need to be qualified for you to get free money on the platform. So if you're not from America, this platform is really not for you, and you really cannot get money from this website. So let's see other website, what really happened to me after I tried this other website. So I tried this another website which is called Grant, and the bad thing about this website is that you need to pay application fee. So for you to get a grant, you need to pay application fee, which is $15. So I really can say that this is a big no for me. Why do they tell you to pay application fee for the money which is really not guaranteed that you can receive this grant or you cannot receive this free money? So you really don't have to try this. Alright, so I tried these two websites, which is Papaya and I Found Women. All these websites, many of applications on this website are now closed, so you really cannot get money. You really cannot get free money on this platform. So the only thing that I can say right now is that if you are serious about free money, and if you really want free money, you can just go ahead on FedEx. If you're from USA, you can just go on FedEx and you can just ask for this free money after explaining why do you really want this money for. And this platform is like the most trusted platform among all these platforms that I've mentioned in this video. So the only thing that makes me wonder is that all these websites that was mentioned in this video of this YouTuber are not working properly. You really cannot get free money on this platform. They say that most of this website, they need somebody who has been in a business for at least 6 months. It's not about giving you money to start a business. It's all about giving you money to keep your business going further. And the main goal of this channel is to make sure that you're really not wasting time on the website that are really not going to help you or are really not working out. So this is the reason that I decided to do this video and try all these websites to see if you really can get money, as people are saying that you really can get up to $15,000, up to $50,000, which is a lot of money. And I was really not sure about this website. That's the reason I decided to make this video. So if you like this video and you want me to do more video like this, can you please subscribe to my channel? But also do not forget to put your comment below there. My name is Hans David and I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much.